camping stuff inside.
Emma!
Yes?
Could you get my suitcase ready too? I'm a little busy with the RV.
Sure.
I'm gonna take Cupcake outside to use the washroom too, okay? We're gonna take her camping with us.
Okay, Mommy.
Alright, I'll be right back. Thanks for doing my suitcase. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Bye!
Bye.
Is everything alright in there?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. I'm almost done.
Me too. Oh boy, I have to hurry up before Mom realizes I haven't packed. Okay, I'm all done packing my suitcase. That was hard work. Yes, I'm all done.
You were able to pack the suitcase?
Yes?
Alright, you brought some stuff for me in there too?
Yes.
Awesome, thank you. This trip's gonna be so much fun. Come on, let's go. I'm excited.
Mom, slow down.
Come on, I'm so excited. Hurry up. Emma, come on. The camper's here. I'm gonna go in the front so I can drive and you're gonna hop in beside me, alright?
Okay.
What's taking you so long?
Just wait. I'm packing the stuff inside.
Okay. Emma, don't forget your glasses.
I won't forget them.
Last camping trip, we got to the campsite and you forgot them home.
No, I already have them packed.
Awesome.
Here?
Good job, Emma.
I almost forgot it, though.
Good thing I reminded you.
Yeah, I went to go get them really quick.
Is everyone ready to go?
Yes.
All right, to the campsite. Let's go. All right, we're at the campsite, Emma. Are you ready to go check it out?
Yeah, it looks so fun.
All right, let's go. Emma, do you want to go push the button for the RV?
Yes.
Awesome, go. I'll watch. I love it. Every time. So awesome. I did want to see it explode again. Let's get the RV ready, Emma. Okay, let's get it ready. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, camping is so much fun. I think the first thing we should do is get our beds ready, Emma.
Yeah, my glasses on.
Oh, perfect. Can you help me get the bed ready?
Yeah, sure.
All right, let's get the bed ready, Emma.
We got the pillows.
We need the pillows.
There you go.
Good job. Do we have blankets? I don't want to sleep with the marshmallows.
I'll get them out.
Okay, thank you. These here are the hammocks, so we could take the hammocks out. Ew, there's another marshmallow. We can't sleep with those, they'll get stuck in my hair. Ah! Emma! Where's the blanket? There we go. Let's put the bed out. Perfect. What's the first thing you would like to do, Emma?
I would like to go in the new pool I heard about here.
Okay, let's go get our bathing suits on and go in the pool. Wow, this pool is awesome.
Yeah.
I can't wait to check out the slide. Okay, Cupcake, you go down first. That's awesome. Was it fun? So cool. Emma, are you gonna go?
Yeah.
Okay. Was that fun?
Yes, you should try.
Should I try? Okay, I'll go. This stair and this stair. Now this one. All right, gotta sit down and woo! That was so much fun.
They said that we could flip the slide into a slip and slide.
Can we? That is so cool.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's now a slip and slide.
Yeah, we should put some water on it.
Okay, put water on it, Emma.
Yay, there's water. I'll go first.
There we go. Okay, you go first, Emma. Yay, that looked like so much fun. Cupcake, do you want to try? Okay, go, Cupcake, go.
Your turn, Mom.
Okay, I'll try. Oh no! I flew right out the pool. You know what? That was awesome. I brought the chair from the camper, okay? I'm just gonna sit here and relax and enjoy my vacation.
Yeah, we're at the Malibu camp. Good job. It's gonna make a huge splash.
I can't wait to see. Emma, you wet me! I'm all wet now! Are you having fun, Emma? Emma, are you all dressed? Emma!
What?
Are you all dressed? get some food out for them. So I'll put everything inside the fridge. I'm gonna get that open right here. All right. Now we're gonna get everything out and we're gonna get the table ready. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait. So we got the table ready right here. And then I got the other table there for guests. So I'm gonna get the chairs out. We'll get that ready too. And then we'll get the bonfire ready. Put one chair here. I gotta go look for the other chair. I can't find it. Where did we put it? Oh, it's so heavy. It was still in the camper. All right. So that's all ready. Now I just gotta get the food out and get the table set up. Oh, Emma, look, I got everything ready for you. Is that good?
Yeah. Is it okay if I use your phone so I can call my friends?
Yeah, you can use my phone. Go sit down in the chair over there and call your friends and we'll see who can come over.
Hello. Can you come over today at my house? We're having a bonfire and we're gonna eat cake. They said yes, Mom.
Are these all your friends, Emma?
Yes.
We have a dog named Cupcake.
And look what I made.
That's awesome. Is that for Cupcake?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. I'll go put that in the camper.
Okay.
Would you guys like for me to start the bonfire? There's food you guys can eat. There's drinks you can drink. The fridge is full of food. Make yourself at home, everybody. We'll turn up some music and everybody, we'll just have a great time, okay? All right, Emma. I have some marshmallows for you and your friends. You guys can roast them over the fire. Now be very careful. I don't want you to burn yourself. I know I can trust you. Enjoy! Ah! Take your marshmallow!
I'll take this one. There you go. There you go. Okay. I was my marshmallows. My marshmallows are all cooked. Good night, everybody. Good night. Hope you guys have a good day. See y'all next time for some more